Hey, what's going on, guys? We're in the middle of No Shave November. This is as far as my Asianness can get me, but we're going to be doing an install. It's kind of more of an overview, I guess, of this one right here. Oh, this is the AuxBeam RGB 8 gang switch. This is the newer one, RA80. I don't know if that's what the newer code is, but it comes with a way bigger switch panel. Can tell it's a little bit bigger than what it normally would be. We're doing a quick install on the Cousins 4Runner. This is the limited. I don't remember what year it is. I think it's 2014, but this is what we're doing the install on. So what comes in here is a sticker, some brackets, stickers for your panel, instructions, I think, or something like that, extra wiring. Over here you got the actual switch panel right here, or switch, another bracket that you could use for mounting depending on wherever you want to mount it. I don't know what the specific term is, but it's like kill switch, some more wiring, and yeah. So this isn't going to be an install guide. Damn, hella planes flying over. This isn't going to be an install guide by any means. It's going to be just more of an overview. I'm going to show you what we're doing. We're not going to be using this bracket that it came with. You can definitely use it, but it depends on where you want to mount it, I guess. We're just going to be double-sided taping this for now on the top of the fuse box. Something similar to how I did mine, how it's just on top of the fuse box. I drilled into mine. He's just gonna double-sided tape it for now and then possibly drill into it later. This shit's hella old.
It still fucking works though. I mean, you just gotta see which one's live right now.
So what we were doing earlier was trying to find what fuse to tap into later. I figured out this is just another relay switch. That's what the name of that was. He's doing some installs over there, some wiring. So yeah, what we're gonna do is just mount it to the top of the fuse box, plop it down. It's the easiest way to save space, because that's how I did on mine too. Yeah. Hey.
Yo.
What are you playing?
Modern Warfare?
Oh, thanks for the invite. Do you know what?
Games yet?
Do you know what fuse it is that you tapped into?
Oh, dude, what year is this car?
2014.
Oh, his fuse box looks different than mine.
Oh. Okay.
Yep.
I just gotta figure out which one's the ignition.
No wonder he was probably afraid of like tapping into those big fuses. Yeah, mine weren't there.
Because you have the flat ones, right? The regular, like, small ones? You just have regular small ones
these
and
are
shit?
fucking hella big.
Yeah.
Oh.
But I mean, I have those ones, but they're...
Okay, thanks for lagging out. Never mind, I can't hear you. Yeah, you lagged out.
I have those big ones, but they're in a different fuse location.
Oh.
Like fuse box right behind it.
Oh.
I got the little baby one.
Yeah, I have a different one.
Oh shit. Okay, well, good to know.
Okay, we'll just Google it then.
Yeah, I don't have those, so when you drill, be sure you're not drilling into that.
No, for sure. That's why we were scared, but I think it might be okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I position it different.
Okay, I'll Google it then.
Okay,
All right, thanks, bye.
All right,
So what we're trying to do right now is figure out which fuse to tap into. Google's giving a bunch of different answers, so just figuring that out. That's tapped in there. We're going to be using, I don't know if you can see this on there, but it's labeled ING to 10 amp. That's what we're using.
Okay, cool. So,
just doing some testing before we hard mount anything. Lights on. Sick.
Okay.
Just give it some space. So like I said earlier, we're just gonna double side tape it down for now, and then when he wants to, he could drill it down and hard mount it completely, but this is just temporary fix.
YouTube. They were.
So this is double-sided taped on, but because this one has little feet on it, it'd be really hard to double-sided tape that one on. So we're just gonna drill some holes and get that on there with the supplied hardware. Any kind of drilling, get one of these. Makes everything 5 million times easier. So that's all put in there. That's what it's gonna look like after everything's said and done. Just gotta plug in the leads, run the wire through for the switch panel inside, and then start wiring up the ditch lights. Next part of this is to, if you could see that, there's a little grommet right there, little rubber grommet where this whole part right here, where you could feed your wires through into the cab. We just have to feed one wire in through, and that's this one. And that should be pretty much it for that part. Fritos, McDonald's, break time. Since I have a new light bar on my rig, I'm giving my old light bar to Sean. It's gonna be going up there somewhere. My old light bar, my current light bar, plus all the auxiliary lighting are all provided by Cali Raised. If you guys are interested in any of this lighting, make sure to use my code next time you guys check out at Cali Raised for 5% off. I'll leave it down here for you guys. So this is all put together, all done. All we have to do now is wire up the ditch lights, and that should just be simple. Just a couple wires to the switch, and that should be it. Should be able to test everything fairly soon. So back here, there's a grommet. We just fed the line all the way through, up and into this little extra switch hole, and then this is just velcroed on right here. So that's all wired in to switch 3, I believe. Lights are on. The lights are on. Switch is on. Is that switch 3?
Yeah. Three from the last, yeah.
Oh, so it's backwards.
Yeah, so
that's on.
this is 1. This side's 1, then you go across.
So cover back on. Just gotta clean up some of the wiring, and that's it.
Light cubes.
Is there a ditch?
They're light cubes.
So light cube is what we went for. Should be ditch lights, but we're using light cube.
What the fuck? Is it changing color?
Oh, it is.
Oh shit.
Orange.
Is that orange? That's there.
So that's about it. Really easy to install. Should take you about 30 minutes to an hour as long as you don't mess up anywhere. Yeah, if you guys haven't already, hit that subscription button if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, more of my rig, more of the outdoors. If you guys like the video, hit that like button. It always helps out. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concern, leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. In the meantime, you guys have a good one. Peace.